Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this 4Runner key fob. Pretty straightforward process. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver, about this size is ideal. And you're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So first thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. Do that by pushing this latch over and pulling your mechanical key out. Now there's a little slot right here. You want to stick your mechanical key right there and give it a twist. That'll pry these two halves apart. And once you're at this stage, there's a little hole right here, and that's where you want to stick your small screwdriver. So pry out your dead battery, and the new battery goes in this side first. Get it under those two tabs. Make sure it's positive side facing up. Then you close this, and you can test it by pushing on your lock button. Make sure you got your red dot there, and replace your mechanical key. You're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.